Hello everyone. So in this video we will see some other feature of for each activity, and we'll see the limitation of for each activity. So the first part is sequential. So when we mark it sequential, what will happen? The loop will iterate one by one. Like in the input, if we have 50 item, then it execute one by one for all 50 item. But when we have when we unmark this, and when we say like sequential is false, then it run parallel. Like how to run parallel, let's see here. So specify whether the loop should be executed sequentially or in parallel. Maximum of 50 loop iteration can be executed at once. So just assume if we have 100 plus input or 100 plus collection, in that case maximum 50 loop iteration can be executed at once. So after, so if any of the execution completes, then other will start. So at a time 50 iteration can be executed. Okay, now 50 is the maximum, but when we don't specify anything, then the default is 20. So if we don't specify anything, then our default is 20, means 20 iteration can execute at once if we don't specify anything. Otherwise we have an option to specify between 0 to 50. So sequential means whether it execute sequentially or parallelly. Okay, so now just assume I am not marking sequential. Okay, so it means it executes parallel. So after that we need to assign a batch count between 0 to 50. Okay, if we don't assign anything, batch count is by default it is 20. So for 20 execution happens at once. But if we specify like 10, then it means only 10 execution happen at one. If we mark sequential, then we can see batch count disappear. So all the, like, it execute one by one for each collection. So this is the normal features of this for loop. And we have some more limitation, like we cannot nest a for each loop inside another for each loop. Okay, another limitation, for each activity has a maximum batch count of 50 parallel processing, that already explained. Okay, now I think another is set variable cannot be used inside a for each activity that runs in parallel, as the variable are global to the whole pipeline. They are not scoped to for each or any other activity. So these are the limitation of for each activity. Thank you.